YouTube monetization is one of the most sought after ways of making money online. Today I'm going to talk about how I became monetized, the YouTube step 2 error that I cannot find the solution to anywhere except here, and what it all means. Stick around, it'll be fun. Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Oliver the Ricketts. Today we're going to be talking about YouTube monetization and how to get through the approval process, including the step 2 error that I know a lot of people get stuck with. If you're new here, you should know that this is not the kind of content that I normally make, but it is something that I think is important that really has not been covered by a lot of other people on the platform. But if you do like the video, you should definitely consider subscribing. We cover a wide variety of things on this channel, including movie and TV reviews, pop culture news, and we have our American Genius web series, which talks about the little minutia that I find in everyday life. It could be anything from me dissecting a McRib McDonald's sandwich, all the way to talking about why movie trailers are bad and you shouldn't watch them. If any of that sounds interesting to you, definitely consider subscribing. For anybody who is returning, if you are looking for that kind of content, I promise I will return to it with the next video, but stick around, we're gonna try to make this fun. So for anybody who's a content creator on YouTube, it's no secret that one of the most desired elements of this pastime is monetization and running ads on your videos through Google Adsense. YouTube monetization is one of the best ways to make money online as an independent content creator like myself. This is an auction-based marketplace for advertising with a 65-45 split in favor of the creator. That does mean that YouTube takes 45% of the revenue, leaving the creator with over half of the earnings. This may sound like Google and YouTube are taking a big cut, but it is one of the best splits in the independent marketing game right now. So let's say you did it. Your channel is now ready to be monetized, you're eligible. You've earned the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours in watch time that it takes to become monetized on YouTube. In the monetization tab of your channel, you've gone and you've seen the 3-step process that it takes to become monetized. First step is nice and easy. Read the terms and conditions, or scroll through them and hit check. But once you've done that, you get down to step 2, link a Google Adsense account. And this is where things become tricky. So you check off that you've read all the terms and conditions, things are going great, and then you get down to step 2 and you see this error message next to link a Google Adsense account. Now, there's a lot of reasons that this could happen, one of which being that you have abused the Google Adsense system before, and now you are not eligible to have your channel monetized. If that is the case, I simply cannot help you. But let's assume that that is not why this is happening to you, because it wasn't why it happened to me. When I first applied for monetization, this took a month for me to figure out. And I was stuck with this error message. Now, likely the reason they say that this happens is you may already have an existing AdSense account from a previous project that is linked to your YouTube channel. In fact, this is very common, especially with channels that have been around over 10 years, like my channel. This is due to the numerous policy changes that Google has made to YouTube since their purchase in 2006. When I first started making content on YouTube, monetization through your videos was much easier. In fact, I did have an AdSense account on my old videos from over 10 years ago. How is another question? Look at this.
What are we gonna do with all this toothpaste?
And that was monetizable. I had a Google Adsense account that was over 10 years old that I was not aware of. And it was linked to my YouTube channel. And I had no idea what the passwords or usernames were. You'll see under it, there's this button that says Fix in AdSense. So I decided to hit that. This led me to adsense.com and prompted me to make a new AdSense account. Once I started filling that out, there was a field to put in your website. I'm thinking, okay, great. I'll just put in my YouTube channel. Upon putting in your YouTube channel, there's an error message that pops up and says, can't link a YouTube channel here. This is for a real website. If you want to monetize a YouTube channel with AdSense, go into YouTube Studio and hit the monetization tab. So I head over to YouTube Studio, I select the monetization tab, and I'm right back where I started. I've entered an infinite loop with this error message. So this all seems like a very easy fix. With any other company, what you would do is you would find a customer support number or email, reach out to them and say, hey, I need to be delinked, we need to get this process moving, let's do that. And that should be easy enough, right? As of 2021, Google had over 139,000 employees. Surely one of them is there to reach out to creators on one of their most popular platforms, that being YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world. But no, that is incorrect. Google is famous for not being reachable to the customer. All of their customer support inquiries are automated. They have a lot of frequently asked questions pages, but there is no way as a creator who is not monetized to reach YouTube or Google support. They do, however, have support, but it is limited to only monetized partners, which of course was what I was trying to become. Essentially, I couldn't reach out and get my channel monetized because I wasn't monetized. Now for this next part of the video, I do need to shout out and thank some creators who helped me figure this part of the equation out. That would be CobraStarGreen, who makes excellent YouTube reviews of different movies and TV shows. He was a big help to me during this process and took the time out to talk to me and give me some advice. Another creator who posted a video that actually was extremely helpful was Maker Beach. And we'll talk about him in a little bit, but he makes really great woodworking videos, including tutorials. So if that's the kind of thing that you like to watch, definitely check out Maker Beach. Now, in solving the Google AdSense problem, of course my initial thought was, well, this is YouTube, why don't I look up some tutorials? I learned how to do everything on YouTube tutorials. And sure enough, there are a ton of videos explaining how to solve this YouTube monetization step 2 error. You know what the problem is with them? They are all in another language. Every single one of them. Not only are the speakers in the video all talking in another language, but for some reason, they're all marked as English content. So now I'm really spinning in circles until I find the one video that has been done in English to solve this problem. And that was a video from Maker Beach. He took a break from his normal woodworking content to cover this same problem and talk about what he did. This is something that I really appreciate, and to be honest, is the reason that I'm making this video now. And while it did not solve what I was trying to do, it did point me in the right direction. When Maker Beach found this same issue, he reached out to a Facebook group of other YouTube creators. He found another creator who was also already monetized, reached out to him, and found out that those creators do have support from YouTube directly, as well as direct email support. He had them reach out to YouTube for him. YouTube responded saying they couldn't help with a channel that the person did not manage. So Maker Beach added him to the managers of his channel. This is something you can do in settings very easily. I'm gonna throw it up on the screen here, but I'll also include a link to a full tutorial that I found on YouTube to do exactly this. It is worth mentioning that if you are going to go this route, you need to pick a creator that you trust who is also willing to do this for you. And handing over management of your channel to another creator is obviously a risky proposition and not something that I think I would be comfortable doing at all. However, the knowledge that I gained from Maker Beach's video did point me in the right direction. Now I know that YouTube does in fact have people who support creators, at least in a capacity. There are real people that you can reach, you just need to figure out how to do it. Now I'm back to looking at YouTube for different tutorials, no longer on how to solve the step 2 error, but looking for tutorials on how to contact YouTube creator support as a non-monetized creator. Now this is an email that YouTube does not want people getting a hold of, so I'm not going to directly tell you what it is in my video. But then why are you watching this video? I'll tell you why. In my search, I found a video that was unfortunately in Hindi, unfortunately for me. However, this video did have a description that was translated from the native language back to English. And from that description, I could tell this was a video detailing how this creator managed to reach out to YouTube and get them to delink a former Adsense account and fix his step 2 error. Although this video was in a different language, the creator was still writing in English even in his email correspondence with YouTube. And he screen recorded those emails and put them in his video. Here's a screenshot, but I've blurred out the email. However, the link to this video is in the description below for those who need this information. So from here, I have an email address that I can finally send an email to YouTube creator support. You do in fact get in touch with a real Google support person. It is incredible. This took me 28 days to figure out how to do, but I'm finally in touch with one person who works at the biggest company in the world. Now, this did take quite a while, but I will give it to this team. Once I made contact with them, they emailed me every single day about something going on with my channel until we were able to fix my monetization issue. And so what is the point of what I'm trying to say here? I think it's important for people on this platform to be resources to one another. And I'm going to try to do that. So while I know this is not a video that I normally would have made, I did think it was important to get in front of a camera and talk about this. Plus it gives me an excuse to, you get that it's a library because I'm sharing knowledge? And if you want to support me, you can check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Every time I post a video, I pick out a product on Amazon that is somewhat related to the video. I don't know what that's going to be yet. And if you purchase it by clicking on the link in my video description, I do get a cut of that sale, and it helps me make better content, different content than this. Now, if you are in the market to buy anything from Amazon already, but you don't need the item that I've selected, if you get to Amazon using my link in general, I do get a cut of whatever it is you buy. Again, that money really does help with the stuff that I'm doing here at this channel. As a creator who is doing this all on their own, it is deeply appreciated. We also really appreciate if you subscribe. Again, if this was informative to you, or you like the style of editing, or you just like me, definitely consider subscribing to see me talk about more fun stuff. I do a lot of that, and I'm trying to post as much as possible, and the more people watching and following, the better those posts will be. So long, everybody.